Unsupervised machine learning. Unsupervised machine learning is a way for computers to learn without being told the answers. It looks at data without any labels or instructions, and it figures out patterns and structures all by itself. In contrast to supervised learning, where the computer is given correct answers to learn from, unsupervised learning is like solving a puzzle without a picture to guide you. The computer explores the data and finds hidden patterns, just like you do when you put together puzzle pieces without any hints. In unsupervised learning, there are several techniques that play a crucial role in understanding and extracting valuable information from unlabeled data. These techniques help algorithms to explore data, find hidden patterns, and understand complex information without using labeled examples or guidance. Clustering is one such popular technique used to group similar data points together. Returning to our puzzle example, suppose you found puzzle pieces that resemble parts of a mountain scene and others that appear to be from the ocean. Even without a picture to guide you, you might notice similarities in color or texture among certain pieces. The unsupervised machine learning algorithm similarly finds patterns and forms clusters of similar data points based on various features. Suppose you have too many puzzle pieces and the puzzle board is too small. In such cases, it becomes challenging to fit all the pieces and see the big picture. In unsupervised learning, dimensionality reduction helps simplify the puzzle by reducing the number of features while preserving essential patterns. A practical example of dimensionality reduction is compressing high-resolution images to smaller file sizes without losing significant details. Unsupervised algorithms identify and remove less important data, preserving only the essential features. Now, while solving a puzzle, you encounter a piece that doesn't fit the rest due to its distinct color or shape. So, in unsupervised learning, there's a technique called anomaly detection, which helps identify rare and unusual patterns in data. In simple terms, it's about noticing when something doesn't fit the regular pattern or when things seem out of the ordinary. The algorithm works with unlabeled data without knowing what's normal or abnormal. It learns the usual patterns from the majority of the data and then highlights any deviations from those patterns as potential abnormalities. This technique is useful for identifying abnormal behavior or errors in various applications, like fraud detection, identifying defective products in manufacturing, etc. As you go along building up your puzzle, you notice that some pieces tend to fit together more often, creating recognizable parts like a tree. When you find one piece from the tree, it increases the likelihood of finding others nearby. In unsupervised learning, association rule learning uncovers these connections and dependencies within the data. It aims to identify patterns or rules that frequently occur together in the data. Unsupervised machine learning explores and reveals hidden patterns, structures, and relationships within data. This unique learning approach finds applications in domains like business, marketing, astronomy, and healthcare. Just as you piece together a puzzle without a picture, unsupervised machine learning enables computers to discover valuable insights from data without direct guidance. Next time you face a challenging puzzle, consider how your brain employs unsupervised learning techniques to solve it, learning from patterns and relationships within the pieces, gradually revealing the bigger picture.